A constant Mahabharata war is being waged in every one of us at all our crucial moments of action, and in all cases, the negative forces in each one of us are in number and usually mature in their effectiveness, while the inner divine army is ever lesser in number and comparatively weaker in efficiency. Therefore, every single individual at the moment of his inward checking up must necessarily feel the desperations of an Arjuna. The story of Mahabharata rings an optimistic note of hope to man that even though the diviner impulses are seamlessly less in number, if the same are organized fully and brought under the guidance of the Supreme Lord Krishna, the Self, then under his guidance they can be easily ushered into true and permanent victory over the outnumbering forces of lust and greed. Kurukshetra. The name Kurukshetra translates to place of Kuru or region of the Kurus in English. Kurukshetra is associated with the Mahabharata epic poem and is the site of the Kurukshetra war. The first Mahabharata says the land was chosen because sins committed on it were forgiven. The Puranas describe the war being fought in Kurukshetra, where Krishna preached the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Lord Vishnu blessed the land with the boon that anyone dying there would go to heaven. Dharma. The term dharma is one of the intraceable terms in Hindu theology. It is derived from the root dhar, to uphold, sustain, or support. The term dharma denotes that which holds together the different aspects and qualities of an object into the whole. Ordinarily, the term dharma has been translated as a religious code, as righteousness, as a system of morality, as duty, as charity, etc. Dharma means therefore not merely righteousness or goodness, but it indicates the essential nature of anything without which it cannot retain its independent existence. Dharam The term is made up of two words, kshetra, which means field, and dharma, which means righteousness. Dharam Kshetra is a term that translates to field of righteousness in English. It is also used to refer to a holy place, a devotedly religious man, or a man of virtue and piety, when on the field of spiritual development within. To conclude, the divine song starts with the word dharma and concludes with the term mine, mama, and therefore the content of the Gita we may conclude is nothing but my dharma, mama dharma.